ToonMentora. We learn alphabets A to Z. A for apple. B for banana. C for cat. D for doctor. E for elephant. F for fish. G for grapes. H for house. I for ice cream. J for jam. K for kite. L for lemon. M for monkey. N for nail. O for octopus. P for parrot. Q for question mark. R for rabbit. S for sun. T for tomato. U for umbrella. V for van. W for watch. X for X-ray. Y for yo-yo. Z for zebra. A for apple. B for bat. C for cow. D for dog. E for egg. F for fan. G for gate. H for hen. I for ink. J for jar. K for kettle. L for lungs. M for man. N for newspaper. O for octopus. P for pencil. Q for queen. R for rainbow. S for sunflower. T for tiger. U for unicorn. V for village. W for water. X for X-Max. Y for yarn. Z for zoo. A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. D for duck. E for elephant. F for G for goat. H for hand. I for ice cream. J for jam. K for kite. L for leaf. M for mango. N for nest. O for orange. P for penguin. Q for queen. R for rabbit. S for sun. T for tomato. U for umbrella. V for van. W for watch. X for X-ray. Y for yak. Z for zebra.